You guys are ugly.
Sell it anymore? No.
Hey, don't push me. Me neither.
Go, get away from me, or I will poke you. Don't get away from me.
Yeah, exactly. Move away. They moved away when I got up. Come on. These things are huge. Ew, I got my phone all greasy. Ew. Why, you guys? Oh my God, they're swarming. No! Don't attack. Ah! That thing was creeping me out.
It sounds a lion name. You do it.
Don't get too close. He went into the water.
I was like going in the bottle.
Hey John, there's a feather, but don't pick it up.
Why don't they pee?
Because they might have diseases on them. Wow, look how many are out there.
How many ducks are there?
God.
One quack.
Hi.
Two quack. Three quack. Four quacks. 7 quacks. 8 quacks. 9 quacks.
Look at them, God.